Hi! In front of me is ASUS Zenfone 9 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this smartphone. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to choose apps and notifications, scroll down and click on See all from last 7 days. Then choose most recent and tap on one of those options. I will go with most frequent. Following that, you need to tap on one of those switchers, for example next to Gmail, and when I do that, as you can see, all notifications from Gmail are now off. If you wish to turn them back on, select the same switcher. You can also just tap on one of your apps from here and manage all notifications by tapping on this switcher next to all Gmail notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!